Alright, so I am doing this cold start. It is about 34 degrees this morning. You can see there's a little snow on the windshield. And we'll see how this goes. Maybe y'all can give me some tips. What am I doing wrong? Or is there something wrong? Alright. I do not cycle the glow plug relays. I just let them warm up for 2 to 3 minutes or so. I'll try to pull the start right now, and I guarantee it will not start. And that's what it does. It keeps trying to, but it's not. So I will cycle the key at that point, and hopefully we'll let the glow plugs warm up a touch. This is what I'm asking. Does this sound like something is wrong, or am I causing the problem? I'm not exactly sure how I could do that, but I mean, throw some ideas out there. You know, dead battery, bad glow plugs. I mean, I think the battery's fairly strong. It's got new glow plug relays in it. Again, it's just not wanting to start. This is everyday stuff. And it's also, as it's doing it, still can't get it to do anything. You know, the glow plug should have heated up by now. Oh, there's the blow by on the smoke. It's just coming right up. There's the smoke rolling up. That's as close as it's got to starting so far. Yeah, there's even more of the smoke just rolling out. So my video from the other day of the start, after about an hour during the day of it sitting, as you can see, this is the actual problem here that I'm having. Once it gets started and warmed up, it's fine. But at almost 8 minutes now, trying to start this thing, something's got to give. And this isn't just in 34 degree weather. This is in 40, 50 degree weather. 40 in the morning. I think the highest it's been here lately is 45, 47 degrees in the mornings. So, and usually it won't hesitate once it starts. It's just, once I crank it, it'll start right up when it finally catches. See, there it goes.
Oh, watch all the smoke.
It's right at 8.5 minutes it took for this thing to start. It is smoking. I hope that the camera's catching it. Yeah, there it is. You can see it. I mean, it's a good cloud. Hopefully, to the guy that said that this looks fine or this was fine, he might be able to change his tune. He might be able to help me. He knows what's going on. So, that's the hair. Up here. What do you guys think? Please let me know. Give me some insight here. I would greatly appreciate this. Thank you. You guys have a wonderful day. It's time to